Pro Football Hall of Famer and current college football coach Deion Sanders revealed he was diagnosed with an aggressive form of bladder cancer earlier this year. He now says he had surgery to remove the bladder and is now considered cured by his doctors. Jade Jarvis joins us now with more on bladder cancer and the signs to look for. Jade?
Well, Todd, bladder cancer is the 10th leading cause of cancer death in the U.S., but recent advancements in treatments have improved outcomes for patients like Coach Prime.
It does bring great awareness to bladder cancer, like you mentioned, since it's not commonly spoken about.
Deion Sanders' bladder cancer diagnosis is causing many people to ask more questions about the disease.
Bladder cancer, the hallmark would be painless blood in the urine, especially with a tobacco smoking history. Tobacco smoking history is the single most important factor, along with older age, that are risk factors for developing bladder cancer.
Dr. Joshua Jew is a robotic and minimally invasive urologic surgeon at Palm Beach Health Network. He says at the first sign of something amiss, people should seek help from their primary care doctor.
It's very important that bladder cancer in general has close surveillance to make sure that bladder cancer doesn't recur. It does have a high recurrence rate, a likelihood of coming back, even if it is fully removed.
Sanders' surgeons removed his entire bladder and then reconstructed a section of his intestine to function as a new bladder. Dr. Jew says that's not the norm for most patients, though it is a treatment option along with chemotherapy, radiation, and other surgeries. But he believes Coach Prime's story will help other patients.
He still has so much energy out there. So I think it's important to note that as aggressive as bladder cancer may be, and as large of a surgery as a radical cystectomy is, it's still possible to live a very active and fulfilled lifestyle after. It doesn't necessarily have to be a death sentence.
And Dr. Jew also says it's important for patients to understand the importance of having a well-rounded care team to help them fight this disease. In studio, Jade Jarvis, WPBF 25 News.